a credit increase can definitely affect your credit score, and it can affect it in two different ways. A credit increase can affect your credit score because if you guys get a hard inquiry, then that hard inquiry, you guys, that can actually decrease your credit score, right? Because hard inquiries is going to drop your credit score about 3 to 7 points. And then also, it can actually increase your credit score if you guys have a credit card. And that when you guys get that increase, you guys will actually see that your credit score will go up because now it looks like your utilization is lower. So you should see an increase in your credit score because of that. So definitely that increase could definitely affect it, but it can affect it in two ways. Now, some people will say, where it's like, oh, you got the hard inquiry. People don't understand that some credit card companies will give you a hard inquiry when you ask for an increase. So definitely call them and say, hey, am I going to get a hard inquiry if I ask for an increase? Because some companies won't give you a hard inquiry, but then some companies will. So you just would like to know like which companies will give you a hard inquiry and which ones won't. I like the ones where you can get an increase without a hard inquiry. You can ask for a hard inquiry right through an app. Those are ones that I like. I don't want to get a hard inquiry for increase. I don't. I will want to apply for a new credit card if that's the case, and then just give me a whole new credit card if I'm going to have to get that hard inquiry.